wonderful people. Welcome once again to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to do tonic wine that prevents us from cold catarrh. Like these days, there is a lot of cold and catarrh. But today I'll be teaching you how to produce your own tonic wine at home that will enable us or that will prevent us from cold and catarrh. Please, beloved, if today is your first time of coming to my channel, I would like you to click on the bell icon and also click on the subscribe button so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first person to be notified. I want to also thank my existing subscribers. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. Keep on subscribing and sharing my video. Keep on sharing to your friends, your families, and everyone. Thanks very well. Yes, number one fruit that we use to do the tonic wine is one, lemon. Know very well the benefits of lemon. Lemon helps us to prevent cold and catarrh. So with the help of the lemon and the other fruits, when we put them together, we use them to do our tonic wine. Now cut the lemon. Very Very nice juice. Beloved, after taking this, I bet you will not regret that you did. Very nice juice. After this, the next thing I will be putting is our honey. You know the benefits of honey. Honey is very good, very good in the skin. Our honey, 1 spoon of honey. Beloved, our juice is ready. This juice also boosts our immune system. It helps in preventing cough and catarrh. Now, you can now drink it.